So ito yung araw na nakalabas na si Mama sa ospital and dumiting si Marcos para i-surprise niya ako. Ewan ko anong trip niya, pero sinasakyan ko na lang siya.
Going to the roof.
To the roof, to the roof. I don't know what I'm going to do to the roof.
We're going to video the last scene of the FJS, the Foreign Joa Show goodbye shot.
Goodbye shot. Party shot. It's sunset.
We'll see what the light's like. Oh, music is not ideal, but
ayun lang, may tao pala sa pool and di naman niya kas binuktong pool kaya may mga nagsaswimming at ang lakas ng music. Anyway, pinagtyagaan na lang niya and nag-set up na siya ng mga camera niya. Well, camera, yung phone niya at yung phone ko. Tapos yung isang 360 camera namin. Ay, hindi. Yung Fiji Palm yata yun. Anyway, ayan. Sinasakyan ko lang siya sa trip niya kasi gusto niya talaga yung nag-video, nagpa-practice ng mga shots. So, pinabayaan ko lang siya. Pero, bago pala kami umakyat, sabi niya magbihis daw kami. So, nagbihis naman ako. At sabi ko, ba naka-suit siya? Sige na nga, magbihis ako ng medyo maganda-ganda. So, ito yung sinuot ko. Anyway, ayan, tinutulungan ko na lang din siyang mag-set up kasi hindi ko alam kung anong gusto niyang mangyari. Pero, ayan, sobrang meticuloso sa mga shots to. Hindi niya lang napaghandaan yung sound. So, medyo pasensyahan nyo na pagdating dun sa important part, medyo hindi maganda yung sound. Pero, alam nyo na, yung boses ko napakalakas. Anyway, eto na nga. May script pa siyang hinanda. Babasahin ko daw. Tapos, ayun, pasa naman ako, diba? Masunurin akong jowa, char. Anyway, nintay ko lang siya. Ayan, ready na.
and yeah. Okay, ready? We just go for it. Ready?
Thank you for watching the Foreign Joa Show. This has been a great season. We got to share many things and discussed our cultural differences.
And he shared with me many of the joys and challenges associated with having a foreign Joa.
And it's really great season.
But I don't think that we're gonna have a season 2.
Why?
Because I don't want to be your Joanne. Will you marry me? There's never been a future that I've imagined without you. I love you. Thank you.
Yung sa sobrang excited ng lola at lolo nyo, hindi niya nailagay yung singsing. So ito, lalagay niya
Left
na.
hand.
Wala.
Hope it fits. Oh, it's actually a little big. Not bad.
Yeah. You want me to get a little fat? No, joke ko lang. Oh.